Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to fully manage widgets on your WordPress site, adding, editing, deleting, and repositioning them so you can make your website look exactly how you want. First, log into your WordPress site. You can quickly do this using your Google account, which keeps things secure and fast. Once you're in, look for the Esse Widget site option in the quick links. This opens a site editor where all the magic happens. Now, let's work with widgets. Click on any widget you want to customize. A dialog box will appear, giving you options to edit content, change styling, and adjust settings unique to that widget. Want to move it around? Just click the control marked with 6 dots and drag it wherever you like. This makes rearranging your site layout effortless. If a widget isn't needed anymore, click the 3-dot menu and select Delete. It disappears instantly. And adding a new widget is just as easy. Click the plus icon at the top left, choose your widget, and configure it in the dialog box. With these simple steps, you now have complete control over your widgets, enhancing both your site's look and functionality. Start experimenting, move things around, and create a layout that's uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tips that make website management simple and fun.